Big news on the stock markets. The Nifty has hit 24,000 levels. Sensex breaches a historic 79,000 mark. Benchmark indices rallied on Thursday with the Sensex breaching the historic 79,000 mark and Nifty hitting 24,000 levels for the first time ever amid buying in blue chip stocks. The 30-share BSE Sensex jumped 512.6 points to hit its new lifetime peak of 79,186.93 after falling in early trade, helped buying in blue chip Reliance Industries. We are looking at unprecedented highs within the stock market, with Sensex and Nifty hitting an all-time high. Nifty hitting 24,000 levels, with the Sensex at a historic 79,000 mark. Remember, this comes right on a day when we heard the President's address in the 18th Lok Sabha, the first right after the NDA has taken over. Sakshi Batra, who tracks business for us, giving us more on that. Sakshi, how is this significant? What's really led to this bullish rally?
Absolutely, Nabila. Well, I would say that, if you'd remember on the exit poll results, just that day I had said the mantra for the markets will be Ab ki baar 24,000. And that's what exactly has happened today. Of course, there was a crash, disappointment flowing in when the Lok Sabha results had come in. But the markets were very swift to take a recovery because ultimately they continued to look at a policy continuity, a political continuity that would continue to be fiscally prudent and continue with the reforms progress as this government has been doing. And now we are seeing finally in this new leg of the rally that the blue chip stocks are participating, like you pointed out. So Reliance Industries hit a record high level. We have Infosys, HDFC Bank, those that were not participating. If you remember, in the previous leg of the rallies that we have seen on the markets, it was the small and the mid-cap stocks that were rallying the most. And therefore, there was a lot of discussion whether there is a lot of froth there. PSU stocks, those were the ones that were rallying. They've not lost sight of the kind of gains that they are losing, but it's the add-on participation from these large cap companies that is now finally moving the needle on the markets going forward. And this is the beginning of the pre-budget rally, clearly, Nabila.
Thanks very much, Sakshi, for joining us on that.